Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I'm here with another 5-minute craft. This was just happenstance. I had a piece of this. It's called double face adhesive tape. It's for carpet installation. Now, this is not what I had intended. Yes, I was aware that they make this, but I was just looking for the flat double-sided tape. My lovely husband literally took me for, I need carpet tape. And this is, what you see used all the time, right? So he bought me this. It is a lot, 15-foot roll. And I have used this for several things. One is on my book spines because it is super, super sticky and it is super heavy. So this is what, it's in a roll, and this is what it kind of looks like initially. I had this piece just like it was, just laying in a little use-it-up box. And I was like, well, what could I do with this? So at the very same time, I had went to this huge estate sale, who was someone who was a crafter and got tons and tons of stuff, and in there was a lot of buttons. And so I just started slapping these buttons on here, and they turned out so cute. They really do stay on here well. And so I envision this could be a great spine on the outside of a book. I could use little pieces of it. I could use it as tab toppers. Possibilities are endless, right? But here is what it looks like, just so you can kind of see that. And let me get some buttons. I hope everybody is doing awesome. I want to thank you if you're new to the channel for being here. If you haven't yet subscribed, take a second. I'd love it if you did. That way you don't miss any of the fun that we have on the daily. I do post daily, and if you're here and are returning, thanks for coming back. I appreciate you. Now, what I want is, I really want, flat-backed buttons, and I want them, so you don't want anything that has a shank on it, right? And I just kind of put them on here wherever the spirit moves me. And I just get all of it. I get it as close as I can. Let's see if I can get... Now this one, I might have to use a little bit because I probably could have planned that a little bit better. Come on. Like I said, this is extremely sticky. So once it's down in there, it's stuck on. You can tell even with my finger. Oh, goodness. I got a little aggressive on that. And now it's on the wrong side. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay. That one we might have to adjust. It's wanting to stick to my finger now. I'll fix that. Okay. What's this? What's yellow? Dressed in yellow. She said hello. And you see, I'm not laying all of them flat. I didn't pick a lot of really great colors, did I? That's a shame. See, and you kind of got to be careful not to lay it down too soon, because where you put it is where it stays. That's for sure. There we go. There we go. What else do we got in here? Oh, here's a purple one. Let's see. I'm going to spread that out a little bit. Kind of turning into purple and a lot of purple and red, isn't it? This one's cool. Here's another one. Another purple. And you can see that these are stuck on the very edge. So, so they're covering up all that sticky stuff. I'm going to have to go in and do a couple little things. Now, one thing you could do is you could also, if you wanted, I don't wish to get it out and make a big old mess, but you could fill in with like a glitter or a glitter glue or something like that in between those cracks so nothing shows whatsoever. But I just wanted to show you the general idea and show you how easy it is and truly a 5-minute craft, right? And that one's gonna be dicey. If it stays on there, let's see. There we go. And I did a lot of pressing, lots of extra pressing down, and then I did go back and see, like, okay, do I need more glue here? Do I, you know, and I just popped a little bit of this here and there just to secure it even better. Come on now. I'm actually making some headway on using this jar of buttons. I've had it for so long, but I've been making lots of button. Ooh, there's some blue. There's a pink. Lots of button projects lately. Like that. But like I said, that at that sale, tens of thousands of buttons and jars of buttons. I mean, and I'm not exaggerating even a little bit. So there was a lot. And I did not buy any, like I did not specifically buy buttons. I just, I bought some boxes, and inside of those boxes were buttons. Imagine that. So, and I am bringing some of those to the sales. See that one? There we go. That's how easy it is. Now, like I said, like, see that one? That was the dicey one. So let's just hold that there for a second. We need some stuff down here. There we go. Itty bitty baby. Gosh, how easy is that? We need one more. That little itty baby needs a little glue. There we go. Let me see what we have here. Oh, here, a yellow one. There we go. It's looking pretty good. And there we have it. And in no time at all, you have yourself a little strip of buttons that are all ready to roll and that you can use however you wish. So I hope you give it a try. Like I said, I'm going to put this up here again. This is called Capital Grip Strip. Double face adhesive tape. Indoor, outdoor, carpet, action, back, jute, unitary, waffle back, rubber back, urethane. There you go. And it comes in a 15-foot roll. This particular one, I'm sure, was probably purchased at a Menards. But like I said, I've used this for a lot of things. I use it to reinforce my spines on my journals, to make homemade washi, and all kinds of things in between. So give it a try. Try to see if you can find it, probably in the carpet section of your local hardware store, and have a good time with it. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you very, very much. And if you haven't already subscribed, take a second to do that. And I hope you enjoyed today's 5-minute crafts. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.